I am Padmagalashmi. Introduced my topic is electrocatalytic activity of PMMA, anatase titanium nanocomposites. Introduction. The inner nanoparticles into the polymer matrix can they deliver high-speed novel materials that find application in many industrial fields. As a result of the development in nanotechnology, inorganic nanostructured materials have been constructed and fabricated with important cooperative physical miracles such as outstanding paramagnetism, size-dependent bandgap, ferromagnetism, and electron transport. The assimilation of inorganic nanoparticles into a polymer matrix allows both properties from inorganic nanoparticles and polymer to be improved, and thus advanced new function can be achieved to the polymer inorganic nanocomposites. PMA is a polymer that is commonly used in dentistry, especially for indirect recognition such as dental-based material and professional ground jackets. This material has been chosen based on its aesthetic properties, oral cavity, low cost, low weight, fabrication method, and economic point of view. Still, its low mechanical properties limit the clinical use of restored materials. The incorrupting of inner nanoparticles into PMMA change the properties of end of product depending on size and saves concentration and interaction with the polymer matrix itself. Titanium nanoparticles are non-toxic and chemically inert and have a high refractive index and corrosion resistance as well as high hardness and antibacterial activity under wide configuration spectrum. Scope. The aim of this work was to study the regularities of electrochemical behavior and electrocatalytic properties in the oxygen reduction reaction of the hybrid nanocomposites based on different pH solution and nano-size ceramic materials. Nowadays, coated electrosystem and modified electrosystem are very much employed to characterize organic, inorganic hybrid compounds. Hence, conducting polymer modified classic carbon electrodes such as polymethyl methacrylate and polymer ceramic nanocomposites modified classic carbon electrodes such as polymethyl methacrylate and titanium nanocomposites deposit on classic carbon electrode are utilized here to study redox behavior, electrocatalytic activity, and resistant capacitance behavior. Materials: methyl methacrylate, titanium oxide, isopropanol, sodium dodecasulfide, polyactyl phenyl ether, potassium persulfate, and deionized water. Methods: FTI spectra of PMA and PMA titanium nanocomposites were recorded using Nicolette IS of FTI instrument in the frequency range of 400 to 4000 per centimeter. UV visible spectra of the solid sample were recorded on JASCO V630 UV visible spectrometer in the wavelength region 200 to 900 nanometer. Powder X-ray diffraction pattern of the coating were obtained by employing an Expert Pro diffractometer using CUK alpha radiation. The diffractometer was operated at the 45 kV and 30 microampere. Morphology studies of the polymer was carried out using scanning electron microscope model MIRA3XMU operating at 25 kV. Cyclic voltammeter studies were carried out in normal atmosphere, and the impedance spectroscopy was also experimented using CH instrument model 650C electrochemical workstation. Synthesis of PMA: 10 ml of MMA, 0.2 gram of sodium dodecasulfate is added in 60 ml of distilled water and 0.38 gram of potassium persulfate in a 250 ml round bottom flask. The solution was sonicated over 45 minutes at room temperature to complete the polymerization of monomer. The solution was then filtered, washed, and finally dried at 100 degrees Celsius for 24 hours under vacuum to yield PMA solid material. The another synthesis of PMA titanium nanocomposites. The titanium 1 gram was disposed in 3 ml of MMA and 2 ml of isopropanol to obtain transparent suspension. The suspension was mixed with 95 ml of aqueous solution in sodium dodecasulfate and octate phenyl ether, were dissolved and then changed in 250 ml 3-neck round bottom flask equipped with mechanical stirrer, thermometer with a temperature controller, a nitrogen inlet in 6 minutes. The reaction mixture was heated until the reaction temperature reached 75 degrees Celsius, followed by the addition in aqueous solution. The initiator of potassium persulfate in 0.01 gram dropwise within 3 hours while maintaining 75 degrees Celsius reaction temperature. Finally, the reaction temperature was raised to 80 degrees Celsius. The stirring was continuing for another 1 hour. The resulting milky dispersion was purified with centrifugation redispersion cycle several times until no free polymer is excited. Each time supernatant liquid was removed and then replaced with deionized water. The product was dried at 100 degrees Celsius. Titania 2 as the same procedure was followed. Resultant discussion: FTI spectroscopy 2924 per centimeter indicates CH band stretching vibration of the CH2 groups. 1166 to 1271 per centimeter indicate carbon oxygen carbon stretching vibration. 1385 per centimeter indicate alpha methyl group vibration. 1462 per centimeter bending vibration of the CH bonds of the CH3 group. 3450 51 per centimeter and 1631 90 per centimeter O gauge group stretching vibration and bending vibration respectively physiobed moisture and another PMA titanium nano composites. The above PMA bands are also appeared in these composites. The additional two bands are also appeared in this composites. 531 per centimeter indicate the presence of titanium oxygen titanium band. 516 per centimeter indicate the presence of titanium oxygen titanium bands. These images are FTIR spectrum of PMA and PMA titanium nano composites. UV visible spectroscopy. The optical properties of PMA titanium 1 and 2 were studied by UV visible spectrometer. The UV visible absorption occurred 265 nanometer indicate pi to pi star transition and the carbonyl group of the synthesis of PMA. The another composites of PMA titanium nano composites occur around 276 nanometer indicate N to pi star aldehyde carbonyl group of PMMA. The lesser than 350 nanometer transition of electron from valence band to conduction band of titanium. UV visible spectroscopy absorption peak means the electrons are absorbing the energy at some specific wavelength. The electrons are absorbing energy means the electrons are going to excited state from in ground state. The band gap energy of PMA and PMA titanium 1 and 2 are 1.72 electron volt, 1.87 electron volt and 1.92 electron volt. These values are less than 2 electron volt, which indicates polymer and nanocomposites are semiconductor, which is confirmed by the electrochemical studies. Electrons are going to excited state from its ground state means the material is having band gap thus which can be determined by the absorption wavelength. The band gap energy is calculated with Turk plot. This image is shown in UV spectrum and Turk plot of PMA and PMA titanium nano composites. XRD studies. The XRD spectra of PMA and PMA titanium nano composites were studied to find out the crystalline nature and the size. The X-ray diffraction pattern of PMA is shown in figure. There is no sharp peak is obtained in the bottom. The broad and background scattering area of PMA indicate its amorphous nature and non-crystalline structure. The X-ray diffraction pattern of synthesis of PMA titanium nano composite is shown in figure and the peak is detailed shown in table. It is also confirmed by JCPDS file. The 2 theta values are matched with reference XRD pattern. The 2 theta values of 25 degree and 45 degree confirm its annotated structure. It is also confirmed by JCPDS file. The average grain size calculated using the above Scherer formula for synthesis PMA titanium 1 and titanium 2 was 63 nanometer and 60 nanometer. While the concentration of titanium content increased the polymer matrix, the intensity of the peak as well as bond angle is slightly increased. This is confirmed the incorporation of titanium into the polymer matrix. PMA titanium nano composite peaks detail shown in table and XRD spectrum of PMA and PMA titanium nano composites. SEM studies. SEM images of PMA and PMA titanium nano composite were studied to find out the morphology and percentage of the elements presence of the EDS. PMA in the rocky-like structure was observed. The EDS report have shown the percentage of the carbon, oxygen and impurities. PMA titanium nano composite is shown that there are small ice balls of titanium deposit on the PMA matrix. The PMA titanium nano composites indicate that there are strong interaction between polymer and metal oxide particles. This interaction may be due to charge transfer from the polymer to titanium particles. This is proved by the enhancing conductivity of the nanocomposite in the electrochemical studies. This is SEM and EDS data of PMA and PMA titanium nanocomposites. Electrochemical characterization, cyclic voltammetry. Cyclic voltammetry studies of PMA modified glassy carbon electrode were performed at different pH. The polymer on glassy carbon working electrode and current between -1.6 and plus 1.6 volt at current rate from 50 to 500 millivolt per second. PMA titanium modified glassy carbon electrode were employed in same procedure as followed. The influence of pH. The effect of pH and voltammetric response of PMA and PMA titanium nanocomposite was studied. Modified glassy carbon electrode in the different pH 1, 4, 7, 9 and 13. Using pH buffer solution adjust to the desired condition which is illustrated in the figure. The optimum pH range for good sensitivity response appeared to PMA at pH 7 and the PMA titanium nanocomposite at pH 4. This is a cyclic voltammetric response obtained for PMA and PMA titanium nanocomposite modified glassy carbon electrode with a scan rate of 100 millivolt per second at different pH. Effect of different concentration. The voltagram for PMA and PMA titanium modified glassy carbon electrode in normal condition as well as pH buffer solution. Specifically, we have compared the voltagram of PMA and PMA titanium modified glassy carbon electrode at pH 4 as well as pH 7. Cyclic voltagram depicts as will define oxidation reduction peak observed at 100 millivolt per second. at pH 4. The PMA titanium 1 modified classic carbon electrode has presented 3 oxidation peak and 3 reduction peak. The PMA titanium 2 modified classic carbon electrode presented the 3 oxidation peak and 3 reduction peak. PMA modified classic carbon electrode show oxidation peak at 1 and 3 reduction peak at pH 4. pH 7 buffer solution. PMA modified classic carbon electrode show 2 oxidation peak and 2 reduction peak. Here, the low concentration of titanium PMA nanocomposite enhances the conductivity of pH 7. The peak current also aggregate in order to confirm the presence of titanium nanoparticle into the polymer matrix by electrochemical study. At the same time, the conductivity is low at high concentration of titanium PMA nanocomposite due to the increase in the concentration of titanium into PMA. All these results clearly indicate significant enhancement in the ORR electrocatalytic activity for the nanocomposite PMA titanium than that for PMA. This is a cyclic voltammetric response obtained for PMA and PMA titanium 1 and 2 modified classic carbon electrode with a scan rate of 100 mV per second at pH 4 and 7. Electrochemical impedance spectroscopy studies. The serial values of PMA and PMA titanium 1 and PMA titanium 2 are given as follows: 5.3474 into 10 power minus 8, 4.0590 into 10 power minus 6 and 4.3091 into 10 power minus 3 Faraday by centimeter squared. The serial values of PMA is 2.6655 into 10 power minus 10 values at pH 4 buffer solution clearly indicate that decrease in the capacitance values increase the resistance to Faraday current. PMA titanium 1 gram coating obtain the lowest value and the 2 gram of titanium have higher value. The figure shown in electrochemical impedance spectra of PMA and PMA titanium 1 and 2 modified classic carbon electrode in the presence of pH 4 and pH 7. Conclusion. In this work, PMA and PMA ceramic nanocomposite were synthesis and confirmed by optical properties. Electrocatalytic activities was discussed. The polymer was synthesis from methyl methacrylate along with oxidizing agent potassium persulfate by chemical oxidation method. The FTR spectra, the band at 1384 per centimeter can be attributed to alpha methyl group vibration. The band at 538 indicates the presence of titanium band. The UV visible absorption occurred at 265 nanometer pi to pi star carbonyl group for the synthesis of PMA. Lesser than 350 nanometer, the transition of electron from valence band to conduction band of titanium. From the UV spectra, Dirac-Monod, these values are lesser than 2 electron volt, indicates the polymer and nanocomposites are semiconductor. Increase in the weight of titanium, the intensity of current is decreased. This was confirmed by UV and FTR studies. The XRD spectra show amorphous nature and non-crystalline structure to the PMA. The 2 theta value of 25 degree and 45 degree confirm its annotated structure. The spectra clearly show the amorphous nature of PMA extend up to 35 degree in the PMA titanium nanocomposites. The synthesis polymer and nanocomposites are nanosize calculated using the Serrer formula. The FE-SIM shows the rocket-like structure of PMA. The aggregation of small isopods of titanium particle deposited on the PMA matrix confirmed by the EDX APS images. Cyclic voltammetric studies reveal the presence of anthraline polymer film on the glassy carbon electrode and show the redox behavior of the polymer and nanocomposites. The EA show the polymer has low capacitance value, which indicates a highly resistance. PMA titanium nanocomposite has a high capacitance value, which indicates highly conducting. At the low concentration of titanium PMA nanocomposite, it is so significant enhancement of ORR electrocatalytic activity in atmospheric condition at pH 4. The peak current also aggregated in order to confirm the presence of titanium nanoparticle in the PMA matrix by electrochemical studies. At the same time, the conductivity is at high concentration of PMA titanium nanocomposite due to increasing the concentration of titanium into PMA. Thank you.